Hey girls, hey, another Christmas tutorial. So we've got a winged eyeliner with some silver flakes. We're going to cross the line with blue. Blue's the mood. And if you want to see how to get blues to mood, just keep watching.
You already know we always have to prime the eyelids, and I'm going to be using my LA Girl Concealer. First, I'm going to be using a Lick & Lash Beauty 35E palette. I'm going to start by applying this blue eyeshadow all over my crease. Now I'm going to blend out the outer edges of that color by just continuously going into circular motions with a small Morphe brush to blend out those harsh lines. That was a tongue twister. Now I'm going to go in with a darker blue shade and just blend some more into my crease to add some more depth. Because we're going to go light blue with that transition color, then we're going to go to this darker crease color, adding more depth as we go. Now I'm just going to get another Morphe brush and just blend out those harsh lines because I want my look to be seamless. No cut creases today, y'all. And then I'm going to apply an even darker blue shade. It's like a navy, dark, rich blue. Even more depth, transition to a darker color to even darker. As you can see, I am excited. Now I'm going to go in with this shimmer and just add it right smack dab in the middle for that empty gap. Just adding a little pop of shimmer because we're going to have that glitter liner on the lid. Using that same LA Girl concealer to prime with, I'm going to draw a wing eyeliner using a Mikasa Beauty brush, starting from the middle and just keep dragging it outwards. And it'll turn like this blue shade. I left it as is because it was really cute. Now I'm going to use this aluminum foil like they use at the nail salon and just pull it apart because it gets really sticky and it sticks to your fingers. Just going to peel it apart into small tiny pieces so I can stick it right on top of that concealer. The concealer was tacky within itself, so I didn't have to apply any extra adhesive. I'm going to use my Wet n Wild H waterproof eyeliner and draw out another wing underneath. Using NYX pencil and jumbo milk, I'm just going to draw that right onto my waterline. I'm horrible at this, as you can see. My eyes are starting to tear up. Now I'm just going to add some more blue eyeshadow that was used on my eyes and apply that to the lower lash line for some more color.
Alexa, no, it's Alexa, pause. It is a machine. Alexa is a machine.